Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can add multiple users in Microsoft Teams. So tap on your avatar at the top left corner of the display, then go for the add account option, that's the very last one you see. Then sign with your other account that you wanted to add. So enter the email address first, then tap at the sign in button. Onwards you'll also need to enter the password, which I'll quickly do off the screen. Then tap the blue sign in button. And as you will be able to see now, we have successfully added both accounts into our Teams app, mobile app. And if you would like to switch accounts, just tap at the one that you, want to switch to. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.